We'll guide you through how to install Inkscape on your Mac. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the official Inkscape website by opening your favorite browser and typing in inkscape.org. Once you're on the homepage, look for the download button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and you'll be directed to the download section. Here, you'll find options for different operating systems. Make sure to select the macOS option before proceeding. Ensure your Mac meets the system requirements listed on the page. Click on the macOS download link, and the DMG file will begin downloading. Once the download is complete, locate the DMG file you will begin downloading. Once the download is complete, locate the DMG file in your downloads folder and double-click it to open. This will mount the Inkscape disk image. In the window that appears, drag the Inkscape icon to your applications folder. This action will install the application on your Mac. Once it's done, you can close the window and eject the disk image by right-clicking on it and selecting eject. To open Inkscape for the first time, go to your applications folder and double-click on the Inkscape icon. You might see a warning message saying that Inkscape is an app downloaded from the internet. If this happens, click on open to proceed. Inkscape will launch and you can start exploring its features and tools for your graphic design projects. If you encounter any warning about fonts or exports, don't worry. Just follow the prompts to install any additional components needed. And that's it. You're all set to begin using Inkscape on your Mac. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.